Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn case studies with S3 via AWS, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service from the Services menu. Click on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your bucket in the Bucket Name field. Select the region where you want your bucket to be created. Make sure to configure the bucket settings as per your requirements. After adjusting the settings, click on the Create Bucket button at the bottom of the page. Once your bucket is created, click on the bucket name to open it. Next, navigate to the Permissions tab. Here, you will want to manage access settings for your bucket. Ensure that you set appropriate policies to allow access to authorized users only. Now, switch back to your LinkedIn account to locate your case studies. Save your case studies as PDF or any other preferred format. Return to the S3 bucket in AWS. Click the Upload button to start uploading your case studies. Drag and drop your saved files or click Add Files to select them. After adding the files, click on Upload to start the process. Once the upload is complete, you will see your case studies listed in your bucket. You can organize your case studies by creating folders within your bucket. To create a folder, click on the Create Folder button. Name the folder according to your categorization preferences. Now, move your case studies into the respective folders for better organization. Remember to verify the upload by checking file integrity. You can do this by downloading a file and opening it to ensure it displays correctly. Next, consider setting up a lifecycle policy for your S3 bucket for efficient management. This can help in organizing and managing your stored data better over time. To set this up, go to the Management tab within your S3 bucket. Click on Lifecycle Rules and then click Create Lifecycle Rule. Define the rule name and specify which files it should apply to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.